Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Kodersdorf, a small village in Saxony that is located very close to the Poland border. We will be visiting a sawmill there to see how timber is processed. We are starting our journey here at Tharandt, Banov. Tharandt is a very special place for forestry students. This town is home to one of the oldest forestry colleges in the world. With a long history of forest research and education, as we leave Tharandt, our bus slowly moves through the forest roads and quiet neighborhoods. Soon, Dresden comes into view. Many people know Dresden as the Florence of the Elbe River because of its beautiful architecture and rich culture. But today, we are just passing through on our way to the eastern side of Saxony. This whole region, because it is so close to Poland, has a mix of cultures and history. And now we reach Kodersdorf, HS Timber Sawmill, one of the known wood processing industries in the region, even in the Europe. Even from outside, you can see large stacks of logs, trucks arriving, and the massive scale of operation. But we could not record inside the sawmill because of safety and privacy rules. But you can imagine how advanced and organized the process must be. Here, logs are cut, sorted, processed, and prepared for different uses from construction material to furniture parts. How are you feeling?
Good.
Hello, Asime. Sleepy. What makes this place interesting is how carefully wood is used. Almost nothing goes to waste. Different parts of the log are turned into different products, and the entire process follows sustainable forestry standards. It's amazing to see how a simple tree from the forest can become a something useful all around the world. As we head back, the landscapes outside remind us how important forests are, not only for industry but also for nature, wildlife, and our daily lives. Today's trip gave us a closer look at where wood comes from and how responsibly it is processed in Germany. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next road trip or maybe adventure. How was trip? How was trip? How was the trip, bro?
I got it good. Ich bin fertig.
Interessant.
Mir ist kaputt.
Tired? Tired?
Because